Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, March the 19th, 2020, we have only one Sudoku, a beautiful Sudoku medium. So let's get started. I see here 7 in this column, I see 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for a 7 is here and there. But I see here already a 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. This big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here a 7. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. I see there a 7. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be this one. 7 in this column. 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in this box. I see there a 7, so no 7 in this box. Here also a 7, so no 7 here. Here 7, no 7 there. 1 box remains for the 7 should be this one. Yes. Let's see. A 1 in this row. A 1 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for a 1 is here and there. But I see here already a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And I see, now I can continue with the 7. So here 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for a 7 is here, here or there. But I see here already a 7, so no 7 here. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 is here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. A 1 in this column. A 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1, so let's see with another digit. An 8 in this row, an 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is a 2. I see there 2, so no 2. In these 3 boxes, 1 box remains for the 2, should be this one. Then six. Yes. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 6. I see there 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 6 in one of these 2 boxes. In the last row, we have a 6 over there. So in this row, the only 3 places for a 6 is here, here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. Then in this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 5. Should be this one. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 here. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here in this box. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 and 6. Okay. Then these 2 numbers of this big square. The missing numbers are 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and the 8 goes here. These 2 numbers are the numbers 2 and 8 for this column. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 and 8, that means in these 3 boxes for the numbers 5, 4, and... No, we have a 4. 5, 9, and 3. 5, 9, and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 here. Here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 5 and 9, 5 and 9 as a pair. I cannot fill this yet. Here 2 and 8, 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for 1 is here and there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be here. Three in this column, 3 in the first column. So in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box is remaining for this big square for the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing in this column, and the 8 is missing. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Here we have 2 numbers left. I remember the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be here. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in this box. I see here an 8, so no 8 in this box. Here also an 8, no 8 there. 1 box remains for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here and there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 4 must be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 4 is here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for a 4 is here and there, but I see here 4, and so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. All the 4s are used, I can see, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there. The 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in the first column for the number 6. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 9. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Then 1 missing number in this big square for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes here. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, people. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. But important, download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. You can compare with my time and your time. Maybe it's faster or slower. Anyway, thank you for watching. And I will see you tomorrow for a new episode. Bye bye.